Community assets can include libraries, leisure centres, pubs, post offices, play centres, playing fields. In terms of community asset transfer, it's been an increasingly important issue to WCVA and its members in an environment where public service delivery is being looked at differently, and also in terms of government austerity, where they're looking at ways of doing things differently and innovatively. The whole issue of community asset transfer is increasing in terms of our agenda. In terms of what the consultation is actually asking for, it's seeking views from as wide as possible stakeholders around issues and thoughts about community asset transfer, and what should the models and the support requirements around that be looking at. It's asking some specific questions that it's really important that we engage and get as much information as possible from the sector in respect of. It's looking at the definition of what is a community asset. Should there be a Welsh model around that, or should we look to take on provisions that are already in the UK government and other administrations in terms of the Localism Act that defines what a community asset is? So what we're basically looking at from yourselves and how you can help WCVA in this process, obviously the more information and the more disparate and wealth of views and evidence that we can have about the issues impacting organisations either supporting or directly involved in community asset transfer, it would be really helpful to get your input. We're looking for responses by the end of August, and we'd welcome any kind of dialogue with you.